Yo, 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 what's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another stream, back for another AI live session. Look, man, it's been a minute. A lot has gone on, but we are here and we are ready to work. But I've been trying to do something. The reason why I haven't started my stream earlier was because I'm basically trying to um create a new background. So you guys take a look here. So I'm trying to create a new background. This is gonna be the background. Um, but I need to go inside of Photoshop really quick to do something. So I'm just gonna do it on stream, and then we'll get into the intro because whatever. It'll be cool. You guys will be okay. But how's everybody doing? Where you guys checking in from? Um, let me see. Move this down. Bam. Hopefully my screen doesn't mess up. Okay. So we need this, which I hope this is, 16 by 9. I don't know. Let me see. Pixels. Yeah, it's 16 by 9. It's 16 by 9. So, bam, this is what we're going to do. We're going to, and this is kind of a testament to the use of AI. So I say I want to create a new background for myself. And so I go to ChatGPT and I take a screenshot. This is the screenshot. I'll pull that up for you guys. This is the screenshot. Okay. This is my background that I have right now. But let me turn this down. Okay. So this is the background I have right now. I took this screenshot. I went over to ChatGPT and I put it in here. I said, change the background to a luxury dark office and match the lighting. Okay. And then I said, keep the same subject. And it gave me this, but I was like, okay, I want this to be a more high tech because this is AI educate, and made a little change. Then I said, remove the subject. Now we have this image. So, bam, we have this removed and we are going to add our real logo, which we will get that now. And we have a lot planned for the stream. Like this is gonna be going deep. I want to get a lot of videos knocked out this stream, so we're gonna go over a lot of stuff and a lot of really important stuff because I've been experimenting. Like I have really been making a lot of progress in terms of experiments or things of that nature. So let me get this really quick. Let's just use Wordmark. And this is just, simple stuff, adding a logo. And we don't even have to do anything crazy. We could just go perspective or go distort. And we could leave it like that, honestly. That looks okay. Probably we'll make it smaller. Let me see. All right, so we'll leave it right there. And this is going to be our new background, but before we use it, I'm going to upscale this. And so this is going to be something that will be inside of the AI graphic designer course. It is basically going to show you how to take images and actually process them to be usable, because there's a difference. An AI image is not usable, but once you process it, you will be able to get a usable image. So definitely keep that in mind. That course is coming out very, very soon. It was supposed to come out on the 30th, but it did not. So let's go over here. And what we're going to use for this one is Envato. So if we go to Envato, and if you don't know what Envato is, if you guys want me to make a video on it, I will. But this is basically a asset marketplace I've been using them for years. They have tons of stuff, but they also have AI. So if we go over here and we go to image edit, then we will get this canvas. If we upload our image, bam, then we will get this canvas where we have these options right here, and we are able to. Okay, so my screen did not update. Okay, so in this screen right here, you have these options to expand, upscale, camera angle, crop, remove background, whatever we want to upscale. So we're going to upscale 2 times. And we're going to wait for that to finish. And hopefully we don't have to do anything else. I think we should be good after this, honestly. You guys see that? So much higher quality, much sharper. So let's get that download. So bam, sharp image. And now what we want to do is just attach it. So I'm about to attach it right now. We go here, we go here, we go here. And we go bam. There it goes. Okay. So this is flipped. Okay, so what I need to do is basically flip this. Hold on 1 second. We got one more thing to do. We're gonna flip this. And we're gonna save this as that. And we're gonna X that out. Choose this one. Bam. Bam. Okay, so that's how you create a new background with with AI. We used ChatGPT. We used Photoshop AI, which that's Adobe Firefly that we used, and we also used Envato AI. So very, very cool. And let me know if you guys been, staying up to date with the Artemis situation. Like the this is like the biggest thing to happen in, I feel like, our lifetimes. We're going back to the moon, or we're going there for the first time, depending on who you ask. And I'm very excited about it. I'm happy that we're finally doing it. I think that is long overdue. But that is okay. So a few things on the agenda for today, and I appreciate you guys if you've been sticking through this like little intro. So the first thing that we're gonna do, and I'm just gonna well, I guess I'm not.